Good morning. It's about 8 in the morning and we are RV-less today. That means we get to work, concentrate purely on the boat, which is great because we still have all that provisions that we bought the other day to put up. Find a nook for everything. Getting stuck by El Gato. See you poking your eye out there? Keeping tabs on me. You can't fit through there? Oh, it's so close, but you can't. Just can't get out. No, bummer. I'll come in. That's the sound of a fixed grill that didn't really need fixing, but Morgan insisted that I fix this little problem with the ignition before I sold it. But Morgan doesn't think it's gonna hold up, and she's probably right, because it has got a little rust in it over time, and going into the ocean where it's going to be salt air all the time, I just don't think this guy is a good candidate to stay in good shape. We've got a charcoal grill there, but I don't know. I'm afraid to take that cover off the top. I'm afraid of what I'm going to find in there. It may be a total wreck. I literally just came in from making a video about repairing the grill, and what did you just say?
The guy that was supposed to buy the grill today just texted me and said his wife surprised him with a new grill. So he's not gonna buy this one.
Sounds like a cop-out.
It does, kinda, doesn't it?
What are we gonna do about all this?
I don't know, man.
Time to get it cleaned up.
Alright, why don't you put together the ice maker?
Number one priority, put up the stuff. Icebreaker. Ice maker. Number two priority. Forgot to mention, we got a ice maker.
Forgot.
I'm very happy. Lauren's not as happy as I am. She doesn't think it's.
I agreed to it.
She agreed to it. You heard it. It's on film. I don't know if this is the best video look. You probably noticed that there haven't been a lot of videos. Thing is, I've been doing the filming, but I decided to do things a little different. I wanted to make videos based on a topic, like I was going to do a whole video on the throttles and why the throttles weren't working, and I was working on them day after day, so I thought, I'll just put them in one video instead of day after day. Problem is that becomes a project that never gets done. So I may try to just slap that together and put it out there, but I'm going to just stick to what I know gets done. Just filming what I do in the day, what Morgan does in the day, what Augustus does in the day. That's what he's doing right there. Right there. You know, keeping the continuity of those projects will sometimes not work so well because they'll be in one video to the next day video. So if you watch all the day videos, it may make sense, but if you watch them independently, one at a time in random order, you may not know what's going on with those. So try to do quick updates, but that's why the videos kind of got stuck there. Plus we got really busy there for a little bit, and we made a lot of friends actually here at the docks. So we ended up hanging out with them at nights and doing things. So we were doing that at night instead of editing videos, which is good because a lot of getting good at sailing is getting knowledge and local knowledge from other people and just knowledge from people that have done it a lot. So just want to kind of give a quick update on my thoughts about the videos and why they are staged the way they are and why there was a gap. So I'll try to get back more to just the daily goings on. Is a lizard living there? I know there's a lizard in there somewhere. There's bees too. You're gonna get bees mad at you. He's literally been sitting here for about 5 minutes doing nothing. Looking for that lizard. He knows it's in there. Getting a really low tide here. You can see how ramped up this is. The dock has floated down. We're on a floating dock. See how much. See, we got it probably about 10 feet from the top of that wall there. And we'll check it in 6 hours and see what it looks like. I just checked the tide chart and we're not quite an hour away from low tide, so we're after low tide. The water's starting to come in. We're seeing this bouncing around 4 feet. So it's saying 4.3, 4.2. I've seen it 3.94. So we'll just call it about 4 feet. High tide is going to be about 6 hours from now. See how much we gain on this depth meter. I want one of these little boats so bad. Look at it, it's like 1, 2-seaters. Little tiny engines on them. Not tiny. I wonder what those are. 5 horsepower. But they're just enough to fit a couple people in. Just cruise. That's the last item off the selling the RV list. Just had to make sure I canceled insurance, other things like that. So another project, major project off the list. You almost fell. I saved you. So nice out here when it rains like this. Thunder. I know there's a bunch of stuff here, but that's because it's raining. We brought in a bunch of stuff just to get out of the rain, but all those groceries and everything, more and put them all up. Looks pretty nice around here. Much better than before. Now it's project time. Set up this guy. Yeah, open it. It's the good helper. This ice maker claims it'll make ice in 7 minutes and will make 26 pounds in 1 day. Ice scoop. It says do not turn the ice maker upside down. I just did that. Alright, it's about 10 minutes to high tide here. You can see this thing is much flatter now. The incline's all gone from it. These walls before had about, I don't know, they look like there's about 10 or 12 feet from the top. But yeah, now it's much. I've seen high tides. We're not having a high tide where the water line came all the way up and was going over this little brim here. And I've taken Augustus for walks and it can nearly get lean down and touch. Another thing you might notice on these pillars, in the earlier video there's like a bunch of oysters stuck to the side, and they're all way down under the water now. So we're high up here. Let's go look at the depth sounder and see how many feet. But we got like a 4 to 5 feet difference. So I don't know what's going on with the depth sounder because I saw it at 7.8. And then it went down to 6.8. Now it's kind of going in between 7.2. So that's just 3 feet that was. From true low tide, it would be probably closer to 4 because I didn't do true low tide before. Dang, I thought there'd be a lot bigger difference. It sure feels like a bigger difference in that. Must be making noodles. No noodles.
No noodle. No noodle. cool cat.
This isn't spaghetti.
Not spaghetti. Japanese noodle. Okay. Yep. You got it in your beard? Or okay, alright. Hold on, yes. They're sopa noodle wraps. They're spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
They're very large spring rolls. This one's actually more like burrito size. And homemade peanut sauce. Ross made the peanut sauce.
And what do we have for dessert over there?
Potatoes, because I figured this wouldn't be enough. So some potatoes with homemade pesto that I made from.
I can finish all this, but.
Oh, well then we'll just have potatoes tomorrow with homemade pesto.
We're all getting tired, but we had a good day. Excellent, delicious dinner by Morgan. Oh yeah, it was a good dinner. Thank you. Anything else?
Yeah. I don't know. Got a lot done today. I feel like, even though there's still a bunch of stuff in the Cali up here, but I don't know. Got some stuff done. Got some stuff sorted. A lot of things put away, so it's good.
Yep, most everything's put away now. So.
Yeah. Poof. A lot of stuff.
Yep. Feels good.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready for bed.
Ready for bed?
Mm-hmm.
I've been wondering what my sign-off line should be. Maybe it should be ready for bed.
Yeah. Time for bed.
Time for bed.
Oh.
Or maybe it's see you tomorrow on the sunny side. You like that?
Only if you say it just like that. Every time.
Every time. See you tomorrow on the sunny side. Like that?
Yeah. That's it.
We'll work on it. Something's happening.
What?
There's ice. Oh no, I didn't put the tray back in. Oh, here it goes. It's doing it. There it is. There it is.